most excited for this class to really learn how the design process works in jewelry from start to finish.
I didn't know anything about jewelry design when I was coming to UT or anything like that.
This semester, the design brief was to recreate the core collection for Kendra Scott. Each group was assigned a specific region within the United States that they had to design for. We really just wanted to create a piece that still felt like Kendra Scott, but something that everyone will love that's new and fresh.
This semester we get to work with Fusion 360, which is a 3D CAD modeling software, and it was pretty interesting to me specifically because I've done a lot of 2D CAD as a design student, but I haven't really gotten to do any 3D CAD yet.
Today we're here at the engineering building at UT working in the 3D printing labs to make our designs really come to life, where we got to 3D print some of our CAD design, and they walked us through what it's like to transfer our CAD Fusion 360 design into a prototype with the 3D printers. Within 2 hours of our class, I was up and running, making rings, making pendants, necklaces, and I could now bring something from a piece of paper into a 3D product in my hand, and that's amazing to feel. Being able to actually do it and realizing that it wasn't that hard was really empowering to me. It was really cool seeing like the ring that I designed, and then I actually get to hold it.
Hi, we're Group 1.
Our group's region is Scottsdale, Arizona. We're doing our research, and she likes to have something more casual and for everyday wear that can also be dressed up. First thing that came to our minds is the desert. The rocks and the lines you see in canyons and how beautiful they are going next to each other. And then also we saw the spines on the cactus, but also the different textures. As it goes down, it kind of looks like a chain almost. You have a smooth cactus, but then you have the graininess of the sand and mesh that all into a single earring. A huge Mod Podge into something that was versatile and casual yet dressy and all of the above. It's kind of a plate that is twisted around and around into a small huggy earring.
Hi, we're Group 2.
Our region was San Diego, California. We learned that our demographic loves to layer earrings and layer necklaces. For our inspiration, we wanted to keep in mind that our demographic loves simple and dainty pieces, but we also wanted to connect it back to our inspiration of friendship and how we all got through the pandemic and the light at the end of the tunnel. We used the white pearl that was like translated from the sea and the ocean and the beach, which we got from San Diego. The feature that makes our design interesting is the chain that wraps around the earlobe, and it can be worn underneath and connected to that same back post, or it can be connected to a second hole piercing, so then the chain can go sideways, or you can just wear it like straight down if you wanted to.
Hi, we're Group 3.
Our group's region was Brookfield, Wisconsin. We learned from the sales reps that we talked to that our demographic really likes versatility. That was something that they really emphasize upon. Translated into our mood boards, and that we were trying to capture this like dreamy, very sophisticated, elegant look. It kind of all started when one of our group members, Hannah, showed us the test shape. It was a shape that she really loved, and originally the design was actually a bracelet. Our other team member, Jamie, kind of translated it into an earring, and we kind of came up with that shape. Speaking to the versatility that our region really loves, being able to have two different looks in one, so it's actually a stud, and then you can also add the little drop, so have two looks with one piece.
Hi, we're Group 4.
Group's region was Greensboro, North Carolina. We found that a lot of women in the store really gravitated towards those light pink colors as well as those iridescent stones. Through our creative process, we really wanted to design something that spoke to the traditional Kendra Scott look, but really had a different twist to it that would really entice their audiences. Inspiration came from the current events that are going on today with the pandemic. We think it's really important to focus on those little wins that we experience every day. We wanted to really highlight the soft aspect of life and just that there's beauty in all of the little small things that we see. The multi-layer bracelet, so you're getting a little bit more dimension with it, and it has two pendants in it, a star and then the classic Elisa stone. A little juxtaposition of something new and different with just that classic look.
Hi, we're Group 5.
Our group's region was Jacksonville, Florida. We learned that Jacksonville had a very broad demographic, but one thing that they all had in common is they liked layering, so we wanted to be sure to lean into that aspect. Our group's piece was inspired by the beaches in Florida. We wanted to bring in that oceanic feel while also keeping it timeless. We have that overlapping texture in the herringbone necklace, and then it goes down to a water drop at the bottom. For our piece, we brought in a really interesting drop that Kendra Scott hasn't seen before that has a 3D droplet shape, and we made it removable so that it could be a more versatile piece.